Alright, good morning, guys.
Good morning.
Are y'all ready
Yeah.
for another beautiful day? Another beautiful day at putting in pools. Are we ready? What do you think, Junior?
We are ready.
What do you think?
Ready.
Oh, shoot. I had some extra coffee this morning. Alright, let's get it going.
Morning, how y'all doing?
This is Justin.
It's pool time.
Pool time. Alright guys, we're here with Chad, the man, the myth, the legend. Let me ask you, why'd you put the chlorinator like that and not come straight out with it?
Just trying to give them some walking room through here.
This pool's tight. Nice and level.
Look at that by eye.
Ooh, professional. Professional right there, guys. Alright, man, what you doing?
Waiting on water?
Waiting on water. Life of a pool guy, waiting on the water.
I mean, like last year, it was cold in May. We were wearing jackets and
Well, there you have it, guys. Waiting on water. We're going to load these trucks and roll on to the next one. See y'all on the next one.